Good afternoon, Peru Middle School students. It's Mr. Storms. It is April 8th. It is our 18th day being home due to the coronavirus. So I want to just touch base with everybody. So we're getting close to the end of our emergency classrooms. Today is you needed to do 2 activities in your emergency A classroom and 2 in your emergency B classroom. And tomorrow is your last day of doing anything in your emergency A classroom and emergency B classroom. So tomorrow, April 9th, we expect you to do 2 in each. After tomorrow, you're going to be able to take a long weekend. And what I mean by that is on the 10th. On April 10th, get up in the morning and send one of your teachers an email letting them know what you're doing over the weekend. And then take a break. Over the week of the 13th through the 17th was supposed to be our break. We're going to be doing we're calling them spring bridge activities, which are going to happen between the 13th and the 17th. And you'll find those activities in your emergency A classroom. That'll be the last time and the last week that you'll do anything in your emergency A classroom. And it's called spring bridge activities. From the 13th to the 17th, you have to do 1 activity a day. And then on the 20th, we're going to move on with some new things. We're going to move on with a new schedule. Just so you're aware, teachers are finalizing the 3rd quarter grades today and tomorrow. So you may see things pop up in your school tool and it might get you confused and you might be like, well, what do you mean? I didn't get graded for that. Don't worry about it. As long as you've done 2 things today in your A and your B and 2 things in your A and your B for tomorrow, then send that email on Friday, take a break. And we'll be talking to you again next week on the 13th through the 17th where you'll be doing those bridge activities. Again, I hope everyone's doing well. I don't have a twin. Usually when we're in school on a spirit week and it's twin day, someone usually twins up and looks like me. So if you end up wanting to dress up like me or like I usually dress at school and you want to send me a picture of yourself doing that, I look forward to seeing that. Other than that, I will be in touch with everyone again tomorrow. So I will have a great night.